In today's video, I will show you how to install shaders on Minecraft 1.2 1.5. So let's get started. First, open any web browser and search for Fabric. Click on fabricmc.net. Click on download and then click on download for Windows. Click on Fabric API below the download button. Now go to Files. Scroll down and find the Fabric API for 1.21.5. Click on the three dots on the right and click download file. Next, click on the search bar at top and type Sodium. Click on Sodium. Go to Files, find your game version, click on the three dots on the right and click download file. Now, search for Iris Shaders. Click on it, go to Files, find your game version, and download it. Press the back button. Go to Mods. Under Browse By, select Shaders. You will see different shaders here. Click on the one that you want. Go to Files and download it for your game version. Now, open your Downloads folder. Double-click on the Fabric installer, click Install, and then OK. Then, open Minecraft. Go to Installations at the top. Scroll down and find Fabric Loader 1.2 1.5. Click on the folder icon, scroll down, and find the Mods folder. Go back to Downloads and add Fabric API, Sodium, and Iris Fabric to the folder. Now, go back to Minecraft, select Fabric Loader, and click Play. Press Escape, go to Options, then Video Settings. Go to Shader Packs at top. Open Downloads and drag and drop the shader pack like this. Click Apply, and you are done. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!